Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're going to do a big, happy stretch to help our bodies feel really good. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to practice yoga with us again. Let's move slowly, breathe deeply, and awaken your strength from the inside out. Ready? Let's begin. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open. Confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Feet slightly wider than hips. Bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible. Hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping elbows close to the body, shoulders relaxed. Lie on your back and gently hug both knees toward your chest. Keep your shoulders relaxed on the floor and your lower back soft. Lie on back, arms in T-shape. Lower both legs to one side while keeping shoulders on the mat. Alternate sides, left and right. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Sit comfortably and take slow, deep breaths. Breathe in through the nose and slowly breathe out through the mouth. Let your body feel long, light, and relaxed. You did an amazing job today. Your body works hard and stretched so well. If you enjoyed this yoga time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love. See you next time, yoga buddies. Namaste.